The Punjab Apex Committee has decided to completely prohibit the collection of zakat and fitrana by banned outfits first up, with a strong emphasis on monitoring and controlling their activities. An indiscriminate crackdown will be carried out against terrorists and facilitators of extremists, as well as those providing them financial assistance. First up, the KPK government has already imposed a ban on the collection of zakat by any organizations that might be advertising for donations. First up, the Rangers in Karachi have also amped up their drive against any suspicious activities in the month of Ramzan, a time that sees a sharp rise in donations. First up, it is said that the citizens of our country annually contribute around rupees 80 billion as zakat and fitrana during the holy month. First up, such a large amount of money should not be blindly given away in the spirit of blessings. First up, many terrorist outfits have been said to use clandestine methods to raise funds to finance their activities. Zakat is one of these methods. First up, hides and skins collected on the eve of Eid al-Azha, as well as donations solicited from philanthropist elements on the pretext of building mosques, etc., have become a way for them to sustain activities which might not be in the interest of the security of the people of Pakistan. First up, though the NAP goal of registration and regulation of all the religious seminars has not been implemented, this is one step that can curb the spread of radical ideology. The madrasas and religious outfits, first up, the local and global network of terrorist funding is complex and its intricacies are unknown. First up, in all cases of political crisis and terrorism, following the trail of money should be the first thing under investigation. Pakistan has a booming informal economy and within it a vibrant black economy that has let the smuggling or arms, drugs and people become a lucrative business. First up, the least that the government can do is to encourage people to stop contributing to it from their own pocket. First up, zakat is a pillar of Islam and a beautiful gesture of communal unity and generosity, full stop. There are many legitimate charities that are transparent.